What's up, guys? Today taking a look at Heaven from the Rolling Stones. Got some delay reverb, phase 90 on, set about 8 o'clock, and we are using middle position of the toggle switch. So bridge and neck pickup. It's going to be a full bar chord from string 1 to 5. So what that means is with your index finger you're barring all 5 strings on that 4th fret. Over here on the 5th fret you're fretting 2nd string. Over here on the 6th fret you're fretting 4th string, and you're going to strum 5 down to 1, and when you do that you're going to hammer on 2nd string 7th fret, and then you're going to strum 5 to 1 again. Then you're going to take your pinky off and you're going to strum 5 down to 1, and then we're going to go ahead and use our pinky and fret 3rd string on the 6th fret, and you're going to strum 5 to 1. So all together you got right after that you're going to kind of lift up on that 5th string, and there's a, and then you're going to repeat that exact same thing. And then you're going to lift up again on that 5th string and do a, and then you're refretting all of them, and it's 2 strums. So that is just going to be like a, and then the other part we're just going to slide down here, 5th on 9th, 4th on the 11th, and 3rd on the 11th, and again you're barring 1 to 5 on that 9th, so it's going to get a little hard till you get used to that. And then it's something like 4 strums, 4 or 5 strums there, and you're muting them every time you strum. So, and then it's right back up to exactly where we started.